Every year for the last 40 years, a group of guys has gathered for a weekend without wives. Some have come for a few events, and some have come for many, but the core remains. We gather to do manly things, drink too much, talk too loud, fart out loud, and generally have a good time. It takes 4 or 5 hours to float down the Russian River. It's a great afternoon. Lots of people have the same idea as us, which is spend the afternoon on the river.
I gave the guy a toast, he gave me a beer. And then Nando begged the beer off him.
Lots of people tried the rope swing, and Lance couldn't resist.
Oh, ready?
Yeah.
Lunchtime on the river. I got a lot of help from this guy. He'd clearly had way too much to drink, but he was full of helpful suggestions on how to fly a drone. We had an unusual astronomical event. The moon came out during the day. After a successful float, we headed back to the campsite.
Look at me, I'm about to cook up chicken. Me, chicken, who's gonna win? I'm gonna win.
We were greeted by this old guy who yelled at us and told us to get off his lawn. Later, we sat around the campfire and told tall tales. Craig got startled by the drone. Based on the amount of alcohol consumed, this Bow Wow was a raging success.